So we all get sick, and it happens from time to time, and we don't really know why. But at the same time, we're sending all of these metrics from our wearable data out into the cloud somewhere, and we're not getting proper information back. So we run under the premise that if you can catch a cold within the first 24 to 48 hours, you can at least alleviate some of the symptoms, and in some cases, stop it right in its tracks. So we use a multivariate analysis on varying factors from, let's say, your Fitbit or your Apple Watch or any type of trackable data on there. We look at your heart rate, your exercise patterns, your step counts, your blood pressure, and then we infuse this with user-inputted symptoms. So every day we nudge our users to input how well they're feeling. So if the daily score of, let's say, 1 to 10, how good are you feeling that day, or if you're feeling any type of symptoms that day. So you input that in, and with that we fuse a pattern recognition software with artificial intelligence and machine learning, and we're able to output a sickness score of how relevant or how likely you are to get sick for the next time.
So how does the app work? It takes your data, your Fitbits and your devices, and it compiles it and tries to understand if you're getting sick, essentially.
Exactly, yeah. And we also have a lot of built-in features into it, including a 6-scan technology. So you can actually go onto the application itself and see a geographic location of any type of flu outbreaks or influenza outbreaks in your area, so you know which areas you can avoid. We also have an achu feature, which is a clever play on our name. So where you think traditional advertising has relied on things like cookies or geographic locations, likes and interests, our application can actually provide you products based on how you're feeling. So if you inputted that you have a runny nose or that you have a cold and fever, we can actually send you a product and a coupon offer based on that as well. And then on top of that, we have achu, which gives you a very deep dive into what you're actually feeling. So we can figure out an exact personalized experience of what's causing you to get sick.
And obviously with accuracy will improve over time, but in the meantime, does this not feed into people's worries and feelings of concern that they're getting sick? I mean, is it necessarily fear-mongering, for example?
Well, the best part about our app is we don't just show you if you're about to get sick. We also give you manageable steps to be able to help mitigate those feelings as well. So most health apps right now, they're just giving you a globalized standard of, say, let's say 10,000 steps is going to make you feel better. Drinking 8 glasses of water is going to feel better. That's not going to work for somebody who's out of shape and someone who hates water. So we give them actionable steps that's going to pertain exactly to their personalized healthcare to be able to start mitigating some of these feelings. So maybe you're only getting 3 hours of sleep that night. So we can start putting an actionable approach, maybe increasing that by 10% every single night. And we added a bit of a gamification model to our application as well. So there's a sense of accomplishment every time you achieve some of these goals.
Thank you for your time.
All right. Thank you very much.